Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to fix Counter-Strike or CS2 mic not working. If the voice chat or if you're having issue with the voice chat on Counter-Strike, then you could try following these steps. In some games, communication is one of the most important tools you'll need to win. So you will want to know how to change the mic in Counter-Strike, or you could try changing the mic. First of all, you want to open the Counter-Strike 2, go to settings, and here you want to select audio tab and search for the audio tab options. Make sure it's set to your headset. After which you simply want to select the correct input device from the Steam client. So what here you need to do is you want to open the Steam account, click on Steam in the top menu and select settings. After which you simply want to select voice tab, find the voice input device and make sure that your desired microphone is selected. As you've done it, so this should be able to fix. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, you want to configure your settings or on your PC itself. So what you have to do is here you simply want to go ahead and open up your settings and go to sound and set sound settings. As you go to sound settings, there you could go ahead and make sure to change some settings, or you could go ahead and configure the sound settings that will be able to fix your issue. And at the same time, you also want to restart your PC. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.